7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
In a week.
You know what you have?
Yes, it's a girl. You?
Girl.
A girl too.
Right.
Have you thought of names?
Yes.
Yes. What's the name of the baby?
You don't want to see it. I can't.
Oh, okay. Mine is Peyton. Thank you.
That's actually a name we thought about too.
Juice.
As you all know,
That's it?
Yeah, juice.
I don't know why I thought it was gonna be like green or
I thought it was going to be
some slush.
Anyway, I was telling you this story, and I realized that I could see the reflection in the mirror.
not this one. You got 5 minutes left to drink this for me, okay?
5 minutes or less.
And I said, I can see. And I literally watched it come back into his body.
Go ahead and take some shots.
So, I mean, just to refresh your memory,
Don't need a straw.
roll your eyes at one of my long-winded stories, you should make sure you're not standing in front of a reflective surface.
It don't even taste that bad.
It tastes like some sugar-free.
Just keep your sunglasses on in the house, and I'll never know that you're... She's in the garden. And on the
belly.
phone is Diane Beauchamp from Traverse City, Michigan.
When you get your blood drawn at 10:15, you're not eating or drinking anything for the next hour, okay? Not even water? Not even water. Okay.
So you just wanna have that nasty taste in your mouth? Blood drawn at 10:15. So an hour. She said you gotta keep that. Till when?
I guess I'll get back down now.
So it wasn't that bad, huh?
It just got like a bad aftertaste.
Like a medicine-y taste?
She just kidding.
I can't never see it, so.
I can see it. I'm staring at the stomach for a long period of time. Like that, she just did it.
But you didn't see anything.
Yeah, I did.
Oh, you did. Stop faking.
She acting when you're not looking. As soon as you look, she wants to sit still.
Yeah, right.
I was telling Bill the other day, how I be telling you she probably won't come like after the due date, and you be saying, well, no, she not. You don't know. Oh, just let him keep talking.
You don't know. We don't know.
Just let him keep talking. He don't know nothing.
We both have no clue when she gonna come. Don't know.
Well, I hope she'll come on Thanksgiving because I want to eat some greens and mac and cheese and all that.
She gonna come the week before she do.
Well, either way, I still can eat some stuff before I go on my back to my original diet plan.
Yeah, right. See how Leslie happens.
It's gonna happen, watch. I'm going right back to my pescatarian diet. Might do vegan, looking at Tiana now, man.
But you not.
You don't know.
You know, vegan, you can't eat anything that comes from animals, right?
Yeah, I know.
How are you feeling?
My back hurt.
Your lower back?
Mm-hmm.
Are you using a
Mm-hmm.
$2.10.
Boom, boom, boom.
She will snatch. All I see is you just. All that sugar.
Stay at 137.
Yeah, but baby keeps moving from it. Looks good. Good heartbeat, and then I'll go ahead and help you up, okay? Mm-hmm. So he's gonna go ahead and talk to you, and then if he needs to check you badly, you'll just undress.
I should play the recording of you snoring on here.
Still with these brownie ass snoring.
Let everybody know what I gotta deal with.
Just because I'm pregnant.
Don't blame the pregnancy, okay?
God damn. I can't even live.
So I recorded her last night while she was asleep snoring, because she claims that she don't snore.
It's the baby.
So we gon' listen to that Snorlax. Here you go.
He didn't know that no more.
Oh, it's not playing, that's why. We gonna play it. Yeah, it may sound like brownie, but it's not. Yeah, don't look.
My nose stopped up.
It's always a bunch of excuses, okay? It's every reason besides your snore, okay? Just get over it.
My nose stopped up.
See, I'm trying to watch TV in the background and she just snoring right next to me. She got every excuse in the book. The fan was blowing. The temperature in the house at the time had me. He was snoring. It's okay. The first step is to admit you have a problem.
Oh shit. I can't stand his ass. I'm gonna call your ass next time you snore.
That's fine.
Oh, it's fine.
I understand that I may snore from time to time.
No, you snore damn near every night.
No,
every
I don't.
morning, whenever you take a nap.
No, I don't. Stop making up shit. Now she gonna try to record me. She gonna try to catch the one time I snore.
Hell no.
So she can feel better about her snoring.
Yeah, you're right. You know what I'm saying? Feel like I do it every night.
How's it going, Dr. Sheldon?
Good morning. How are y'all?
I'm good.
Good. How's the baby?
Good.
Moving well? Alright. Good. You doing your diabetes screen today?
Yeah.
Okay. Good. What time do they need you back downstairs?
10:15.
Okay. Good. Alright. Everything going okay?
Yeah, I just got like pressure back here. Like when she lifts me up, I had pressure, but I've been having pressure for like the last 2 weeks.
Okay, what are you doing for that?
Laying down.
Okay. You try like a maternity belt or anything like that?
Yeah, I wear it when I work.
Okay. Seem to help?
Not really.
No. Okay. You take anything like Tylenol, anything like that? I mean, you certainly can.
Tell them about this, the pain.
Oh yeah, the pain right here. It's
Okay.
like sore.
It comes on and have blood taken, right? Yes. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Yeah. As soon as you finish, they'll put the time on. Oh, okay. Right. I'm gonna sit here and do it.
Yeah, they told me to come back at 10:15.
What time is it supposed to be back?
10:15.
Is this a documentary?
Yeah.
That's so easy. You will, hi baby, when you meet your parents.
Y'all see that statue out there? Now, the statue apparently is, you know, 2 women playing with a baby. But the fake part about that statue is that we know it'll be 2 men throwing a baby around because that's what we do. While the women are somewhere scared that we gonna drop the baby. But we never do.
I almost finished. Are you okay?
How you feeling? I didn't see that in the camera. And we're done with this hospital visit today. Gotta be back in 2 weeks. So what's that, September 13th?
Yep.
Now we can go get you something to eat since you couldn't eat nothing this morning since you had to take that test. Decided what you're gonna, you said you want that
Big ass salad.
nice big ass salad. Because why you getting a salad? Because the doctor told you to watch how you eating. Because you put on a lot of weight since last visit.
You had to put that a lot.
I did. I had to stress it too. And then he told you might want to, you know what I'm saying, do light workouts, which, you know, your man has told you. But I guess when your man tell you know, the father of your child, when he say something.
You know what I'm saying?
Getting her a salad that she's been craving since she couldn't eat nothing this morning before we went to the hospital. Hey, you ready for that salad?
Hello, how are you?
A little avocado.
Avocado. It's $1 extra for the avocado. It's fine. And it's to go, right? And avocado.
This salad, baby,
Go down.
Any bread or pita chips today?
No, ma'am.
we're gonna stop by Subway on the way home. If you ever want a salad, you know where to come. A little salata. This is so if you ever wanted to know what a $17 salad looked like. This is what she's been waiting to get home to eat. Since she couldn't eat nothing this morning. Look at that.
You got shrimp, salmon, crab meat in here.
And avocado.
Avocado.
17 goddamn dollars.
Black beans, corn.
You better have gold sprinkles in that motherfucker.
It's expensive because it got seafood in it.
I realize that, but still. It's still a damn salad for $17.